Hey guys, thanks for logging on to my channel. Today is Kitchen Transformation Part 3, Reveal Day, and I am just super excited to show you what we've converted or transformed our kitchen into. As you are aware, this is, as I said, Part 3. Part 1 was where we changed the kitchen cabinets from a mahogany cherry wood color to white. Part 2 is where we tore down that old pantry and got a customized cabinet inserted, wine bar, coffee station with microwave and cabinetry. Part 3 is the final reveal, where we've dropped a new sink. We have changed the cooktop from electric to gas. We've put in new appliances, added backsplash, and added lighting and all the associated home decor. I'm excited to show you. Part 3 is up next.